Welcome to this new tutorial of LabMouse AI. So today I will show on how to reprogram the firmware of a camera. So we will reprogram actually the firmware of a camera number 2. So how to do? First, I'm going to connect the system. So as in the previous tutorial, it is already connected. I'm going to power the router, and now I will wait a bit, and I'm going to start the application on my computer. The application is currently loading. Okay, so the application is now completely loaded. Then very simple, I'm going to program flash, and then I need to click on camera flash new image, camera 2, because I want to flash the camera 2. So I need to go to firmware under smart cage thermal firmware, and I select the file which is called boot camera 2, open, and now it is started. So important information, please follow what is displayed on this screen. Starting flashing, do not disconnect the board. So it's important during this period, which will take about 2 or 3 minutes, to not touch anything. So do not disconnect the board, do not disconnect the router, and do not touch to the application. And the process is going to be done automatically. We just have to wait. So it will come 3 information. The first one is already displayed, not to disconnect the board. When the firmware is going to be completely transferred to the camera, we will receive a second information, and the last part is the camera itself will be reflashed by erasing the previous firmware and putting the new in replacement. So now we are processing. Okay, so now in fact currently the firmware has been completely transferred from the PC to a board. Now we are still requesting not to disconnect, because the board is right now erasing its previous firmware and replacing by the new one. So this operation is again taking about 1 minute, and after this operation will be finished, we will receive a final message which is explaining that the operation has been completed, and that it will be needed to completely reset the system to have the new firmware completely operational. So here again we have to wait, we don't touch anything. It's a good time to go to take a coffee during this process, and we just wait that the final message appears on the. Okay, so now we receive a final message which mentions that the flashing is completed and we can restart the board. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to disconnect the Netgear router and restart the system. We will close the application completely, and we will be able to restart now the application, and the camera has been actually completely updated. Okay, we will check that the camera is well working. So let's look at it. So we click on normal mode, we click on camera 2. Camera 2 is connected, and now we will just play. Camera is going to play. Camera is now playing. You can see right now my hand appearing in front of the camera number 2. Now the camera has been completely reflashed and fully updated. So very simple process, very easy to do.